Hi Priya and all my Reiki family, you have been a great experience to be with. You all are so talented that you inspire me. And Priya, what do I say about you? I think I know you for at least 4 5 years now, and I think before I met you, actually I liked your page, which was Moksha, I think, and I was so attracted to it without knowing who's behind it because I love the positivity it gave me. And then we became friends on Facebook, and it was a normal interaction. I didn't know much about you, but yes, I knew that you're a healer. But you were such a beautiful soul that you always connected with everybody. And I remember once you had called me up because you saw something in your cards, and it was late in the night around 9:30, 10. You called up and you were so worried with that we had never met, but the concern you showed, I was taken aback. And that is a day that I knew that I have found a friend forever. And about and you have never disappointed me. You've always given me so much of love, affection, and I'm truly thankful for that. You showed me the way to be grateful, to have gratitude in your life, and then abundance definitely comes in. uh, what do I say about this Reiki class? I think this is one class which has, connected me to my own self, because I knew before this that yes, there is a cosmic energy, and I've always tried to catch it, reading or going for yoga, meditation, and all. But this really helped me to connect completely. This journey which I have started now, I am so glad that finally, I can understand myself finally, be one with myself. And that's the most important thing, I guess. So, and you are so patient. We ask you 101 question, and for every question you have, patiently giving us answers. And what can I say? You're so loving, such a affectionate soul, and for me, you're always going to be very special because you showed me a way to go inward, which is going and seeing your own self. And you are my buddy, and you're always going to be my friend before anything else. And I love you from my heart, and I know you're there for me always. But yes, I'm feeling very sad that this class is over because every morning there was something. I used to feel that this, yes, I'm going to learn something very new, something very new, and which is going to make me come closer to my own inner self. So yes, I'm going to miss the whole class because the people here are so beautiful, and they all are so talented. I just pray that I get some talent, from them. Maybe it'll rub on me. And thank you so much. I am totally grateful for bringing this in my life, and I love you from my core of my heart. Thank you, and I'm sure we'll meet one day. I'm just wanting to see you once and sit with you and have a long chat with you. Thank you so much, Priya, and stay connected. Love you.